Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to Vamos a Estudiar. Students, we come up with a new topic which is about pH numericals. I think that these are a bit difficult for most of the students, but whenever you are having the question to solve pH, what you think in your mind is that first you have to judge that the given substance is acid or a base. As you have already studied in the different concepts, this acid is always having hydrogen ions and the bases are having OH negative ions. So the question over here is that 0.0 molar of barium hydroxide. So barium hydroxide is having OH. Now first thing is the data which is given as molarity of barium hydroxide is 0.0002 molar. Now in this question you have to find out hydrogen ion, hydroxide ion, pH and POH. As you know that this whole substance is a base, so what you do is that for the solution you come across to barium hydroxide, ionize it and you will get barium ion and 2 moles of hydroxide ion. Whenever you are having 1 mole of barium hydroxide ion, it's a strong acidic base, so it always ionizes to give you 2 moles of hydroxide ions over here. So it ionizes completely, and if you are having the given data which is 0.02 molar barium hydroxide, it ionizes to give you same amount of barium ions. But as the amount of hydroxide ion is double, so 0.02 into 2, and overall from the equation you get the amount of OH negative ion which is 0.04 molar, which is 4 into 10 raised to the minus 2. From this whole equation you come to know about the first part, which is OH negative ions. Second step is that when you come across to OH negative ions, you have to find out the POH, and POH is equal to minus log hydroxide ion is the formula. So you have to put the values and come across to the answer, which is about 1.4. When you find out the POH, it's so simple that you can come across to the pH values. Simply you have to minus 1.4 from 14 and you will get the pH answer. Hydrogen ions is finding out by taking the antilog of pH, which is 12.6. Antilog can be taken from the calculator by pressing shift and log, and after pressing shift and log minus 12.6 you will getting the hydrogen ion concentration, and at the end you have to summarize the whole result by considering OH ion concentration, POH ion concentration, pH and H positive concentration. Similarly, if a question is given with 0.02 molar of NaOH, then simply in case of NaOH you are having 1 OH negative ions, and accordingly you have to solve it accordingly. So I hope that this is very helpful for you guys. Till next lecture, Allah Hafiz from my side.